Everybody's talking about autonomous trucks nowadays, right? Oh, don't go to work for these guys. They're good. They just bought some autonomous trucks. Go work for these guys. An even bigger mega carrier that's gonna soon purchase a bunch of autonomous trucks. It's coming, you know? Years back, you remember the fast food joints all being, hassled into raising wages for these employees that were so unreasonable that they said, well, we'll just replace you with robots. How are we going to run a successful business and employ people if we can't afford to employ you? We can't afford to pay you what you're asking. Do you think people are asking too much, I think that's kind of what I'm seeing right now. I'm seeing drivers requiring wages that, like, company drivers asking for the same wages as, like, an owner operator grosses weekly. It's like, how do you expect we're watching these companies go under. Drivers working for decades just to lose their pension because, well, this company can't afford you. I don't know, I think they're coming, but that's just on my mind. I'm just thinking out loud. We're coming off the home time and we're heading up north to Wisconsin. Stick around, we'll be right back. Well, after making it up to our yard in Wisconsin, I kicked off that stuff you saw in the first segment. Started loading up these generators that I'm going to be taking, a little north of us in Wisconsin, and a couple that are going to go out to Minneapolis, Minnesota. And right there in the middle is what I'm kicking off, all those little ones in the middle, because I've got to get over here to Mankato and put this big boy on. I talked about robots a little while ago. Check this one out. Well, that's the end of this week's episode. If you'd like to check out more of what happened in between things, some of the stuff that just happens to be missing, you can check out all my other socials, Facebook, Instagram. You can also check out Kaiser Transport socials. You can find them on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and see some of the things that you missed here in this video. And on my socials, Facebook, you can also see where I ended up at what seemed to be a haunted rest area in Wyoming. Just check it out, man. I put up other stuff all over the place, man. You're missing out if you ain't seeing it there. All right, we'll see you next time. Bye!